What are data products? They're trusted, well-managed collections of data that have been curated, enriched with business context, and governed by clear ownership and rules. Think of them as ready-to-use packages of information that are easy to find, understand, and use. Anyone in the organization can rely on them to make decisions, create reports, or generate insights, all without digging through raw data or worrying about accuracy. Data products may be curated datasets, dashboards, or even APIs that teams can rely on again and again. With predictive analytics and machine learning models, organizations use data products every day to help with a broad range of use cases. You might use them in retail to understand customer trends, predicting demand, optimizing inventory, and tailoring promotions. In finance, they can help manage risk, spotting anomalies, improving credit scoring, and strengthening fraud detection before problems escalate. And in manufacturing, they can boost efficiency using sensor data to anticipate equipment failures and streamline production across global sites. Together, these data products form a connected ecosystem, one that gives organizations a trusted foundation for data and AI. That's a data product, your link between raw data and real intelligence.